Hi you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have Globein. This is actually November's box. Do you want to see what's in my box? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so I just received the November Globein box. They do send me this for review, so thank you so much, Globein, for sending me your box to show my viewers. I greatly do appreciate it. So you guys, let's go ahead and dive in. Let's see what's going to be in here. Let's see what theme, and let's check it out. I'm so excited. I love the items from this box, and with this company, there's so many different themes to choose from. So if you don't want the normal monthly theme, there's so many other ones that you can choose, or you can tell them just to surprise you and choose one for you. But there's so many different themes every single month that there's always gonna be something that you're probably going to really, really love. So that being said, let's see what we have. Alrighty then, ooh, that's what it looks like we're gonna be having right there. And what is that called? The Soiree Box? I'm not quite sure how to say that, but that is what we are going to be getting, you guys. And everything is down inside of here. So there is a Globein Impact Report from 2019 that's gonna go over a lot of different information, and you can sit down and read all of this. Ooh, and there's some themes, some different themes that they have. There's some more. I'm telling you, they have a lot of themes, you guys. But there's this cool little big old brochure that you can go through and read about if you so choose to. Okay, so the first thing that's right on top is this guy right about here. It says made in Guatemala. And let's find out what this is. So in this book, it will go through each individual item, and then it does also normally give you, yes, there's like even recipes in the back. This is their normal monthly book that'll go over your specific theme. And in here, I need to find this item to find out what it is. Got it. It's a teak wood wine topper. So you can actually take it and stick it right down in your bottle of wine to preserve the rest of it when you have a bottle opened. So you have a wine bottle stopper. So there's item number one. We have this cute little spoon right here. And this says it's a long-handled tasting spoon. Measurement is 8 inches. It's hand-carved wood. Care instructions is to hand wash only. And this is handmade fair trade in Thailand. And that is really neat. And I like that it's like definitely a tasting spoon, because it's nice and hollowed out to where you can get a good taste if you were tasting a drink that you were making. And with the long stir, if it's a taller glass, they still have you covered. That is really cool. Long handled tasting spoon. Give a big round of applause to the organization behind your newly loved tasting spoon from Thailand with love. You can feel the love that is put into crafting this muddler indeed. The tasting spoon is created with a technique called wood turning. The craft is a difficult skill to master, as it requires turning the wood and using handheld tools to cut the wood at the same time. And that is exactly what this looks like, you guys. And it does say handmade in Thailand. There's a sticker right there, and there's that. So you have a tasting spoon. So cool. Okay, so let's go ahead and open up this box. Ooh, this is gorgeous. Look at that. And I bet you this is all hand-blown glass, like everything you receive in this box, and it is absolutely gorgeous. This is handmade in Mexico. There's a seal right there. A lot of like my wine glasses and my little tumbler glasses that I got from them, I absolutely love. And I even purchased little sets of the wine glasses for family last Christmas, and they love theirs just as much. And it's all basically like the same. Like it had the white in it, but it didn't have a color. It was just white because it'll go with anything. But this is really cool because it has like a red. It kind of looked pink-ish on the picture, but this is actually more of like a red, and my kitchen's color, accent color, is red. So that is awesome. So you have this really gorgeous picture, like, and that's a really good size too. I love that. Let me see if it says anything in addition in here. Okay, so it's a large iced tea pitcher. The measurements are 9.5 inches high by 8 inches deep, and it holds 144 ounces to fill the base. Material is hand-blown glass, used only for room temperature or chilled products, not designed for hot liquids and hand wash. And again, this was made in Mexico, and it shows the artist right there that actually makes them. He is very, very talented, let me tell you, because this is absolutely gorgeous. It says, this quality glass pitcher is a great kitchen essential for everyday use. The large pitcher's wide top allows for easy stirring and is perfect for serving iced tea, lemonade, and margaritas. So does this fit? Yeah. So I'm literally touching the bottom, and this is still sticking up through the top. So you can literally use this if you're mixing up a concoction in here as well. So that is super neat. I'm loving this box, you guys. And doesn't that look so refreshing with the lemon up there? Like, I want some lemonade now. Mix them in my pitcher. Okay, so now we have 2 items in here, and they're going to be the glasses that are going to match. So cute. Let's get these open so we can see them. I'm so excited about this theme. So here's one, and let me get the other one. So here they are. Oh my gosh, aren't those just stunning? Those are super, super pretty. And it does have the same colors, which again, this is like a reddish color, but in different lighting, it kind of even turns to like an orange and a pink. It's like an opalescent color. So it's not just red, or it's not just pink. It has the opalescent to the color, and that's just absolutely gorgeous. So these are perfect size cups for anything. And these are also handmade in Mexico by the same company, but those are just stunning. I thought I was gonna hear something, like the ocean. I don't know. I don't hear nothing. Those are gorgeous. I love it. So that's what came in this set, you guys. So we have the wine bottle stopper. We have a tasting stirring stick. You have a gorgeous large pitcher and 2 glasses that match. Isn't that beautiful? You guys, what do you think of this month's box? Again, it's called, I'll try to say it. Sorry, I'm not quite sure, but that is the theme of this box. You can definitely take a look at all of the different ones that they have to offer. And they have so many different ones that you can definitely look through them and pick the one that best fits your needs and what you would actually want. Or you can have them surprise you and get a surprise. This one was a surprise. I didn't choose this one, but I'm super, super glad this is the one that they sent to me, because this is gorgeous and it's gonna match my kitchen, and I'm super, super excited, and I'm so glad to have a picture with matching glasses. Like, that is so cool. So if you guys want to know a little bit more about Globein, I do have a link down below. And if you use SheCrafty, that'll get you 50% off your first month on any 3-month or higher prepaid subscription. So if you get a 3-month, a 6-month, or a 12-month, my code will get you 50% off your very first box. And again, that'll all be linked down below. You can definitely check them out. The first month subscription, if you just do month to month, is $40 a box. If you do the 3 months, it brings it to $38 a box. If you choose the 6 months, it brings it down to $35 a box. And 12 months will bring it down to $33 per box every month. Their mission is to deliver joy by empowering and connecting remarkable remote artisans to mindful customers, and that's exactly what they do. We use business for good. We empower remarkable artisans in remote areas with the tools to build sustainable businesses. Providing connection and guidance, we help our partners feel stronger, more confident, and in control of their lives through the expression of their craft. As servant leaders, we improve the lives of our artisans so they can take great care of themselves, their family, and their community. We help our customers discover amazing goods in distant lands from the comfort of your own home. Through our delightful, useful, and vibrant goods, we offer our customers the means to feel well-traveled and culturally experienced. For our artisans in the developing world, we give their businesses global reach as we connect them with customers to share their extraordinary creations and inspiring stories. So yeah, because even in the book, when you go over it, you can read up about the actual person that is making them, which country they're from, how they do their art, what they do, that kind of thing. So there's always so much other information that you can read up on them, which is amazing. And again, they have different themes every month. You can choose your own, or you can have them surprise you and just send you a random theme that they have for that month. And yeah, so you guys comment down below. Let me know, what did you think of this month? I'm so excited about it. I think this is absolutely gorgeous. I'm so glad that I received this one. Thank you so much, Globein, for sending me this. And picking this one out for me was perfect. So again, you guys, comment down below. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.